Okay, let us learn how to combine ratios between different subgroups. With a question here. At a certain college, the ratio of freshmen to sophomores is 2:3 and the ratio of sophomores to juniors is 5:6. If the ratio of juniors to seniors is 3:5, what is the ratio of freshmen to seniors? So here start recognizing by looking at the common terms and then making the number to common terms same in the ratios. Here sophomore is same in the first and the second ratio and junior is same in the second and third ratio. We will find the equivalent ratios so that the common term is same. So for freshmen to sophomores, it is 10:15. Sophomores to juniors, it is 15:18. And for juniors to seniors, it is 18:30. So we have all the common terms here with the same numbers. So freshmen to sophomores to juniors to seniors is 10:15:18:30. So freshmen to seniors is 10:30, which is equals to 1:3. So hope this was clear. All right, let's solve these practice problems.